Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the estimated value of a truck declines at an annual rate of 7%. If the original value of the truck is $35,000, which of the functions v best models the value of the truck in dollars t years later? So if the value of a truck is declining at an annual rate of 7%, then in any 1 year, we're going from 100% of our current value, and then we're subtracting 7%. What is this equal to? 100 minus 7 is 93%. So every year it's going to be 93% of the year before. What does this actually look like? Well, if we start at 35,000, how do we find the value 1 year later? Well, we have to multiply it by 93%. What is 93%? Well, a percent is a number out of 100, so we have 93 divided by 100 is 0.93. So you have 35,000 times 0.93. What do we do after 2 years? Well, we take the value we had in the year before, which is this, and we multiply it by 0.93. And then in the next year, we would do the same thing, and you're basically just having another 0.93 multiplied on every time. So, which of the functions does this match? Well, in all of these we have our 35,000, so that's good. But in some of them we have 0.07, and then some of them we're multiplying by 0.93. So we're multiplying by 0.93, but in this equation we're only multiplying by it once. It doesn't matter what t is, you're only going to have one 0.93. However, in this one, in D, we have 0.93 to the t. So if t is 1, if we're looking at 1 year, we have one 0.93. If t is 2, it's squared, just like here. And then it's cubed, just like this, where it's multiplied by itself 3 times. So D is the one that's modeling the decline of this truck. 35,000 times 0.93 to the t, where we're looking at t years after the truck was purchased.